I am Vasilis Bogar. I have 3 Olympic medals, one from the Worlds and few for the Europeans in different classes, one in laser, one in fin. Obviously at the beginning I was sailing in Optimist and 470, but definitely the 3 Olympic medals are the biggest achievement in my life and then changed my life. It's a fantastic boat actually, very sensible, very fast upwind, nice to sail. It's really nice, has a lot of trim, even if the boat is very simple. You have some small trim that helps you to manage to sail upwind and downwind, and I really haven't felt any bad thing of the boat, just very sensitive rudder, sensitive boat, planning upwind, extremely fast upwind, and very fun downwind. I think it would be really interesting to see a fleet of this boat, because it's a boat that makes a lot of apparent wind and will be really, I think, challenging, difficult to sail, but also very fun.